So as a new channel, instead of just waiting around hoping for views, I'm doing something different, and that is a 30 days YouTube challenge. One video every day for 30 days. I know it's not just about posting. It's about learning faster, getting in front of the algorithm or more often, and pushing through the early noise that hold most creators back. Honestly, starting from zero is quite overwhelming, but the challenge gives me this structure, a purpose, and more momentum, even if no one is watching yet. And that's exactly why I'm about doing this challenge. Here's what a 30 days YouTube challenge can actually do for my channel as a new content creator. First, I've learned that it exposes the algorithm, like it exposes your channel to the algorithm. So posting consistently can give my YouTube channel more data about my content and who resonates with it. So the more I post, the more chances the algorithm has to test and recommend my videos to others. The second is that it increases visibility. Even if each video gets a small number of views over 30 days, that compounds. Okay, so more videos means more search terms, more impressions, and more watch time. Okay, so the third reason why I want to start this 30 days challenge is skill acceleration. So I'll be editing, scripting, titling, making thumbnails. So this will help me to level up fast on a daily. This can help me learn and master skills, like all the skills, in just a few weeks. So the fourth one is audience trust. People notice consistency. So if someone finds your channel and sees you've been posting every day, it signals that you are a very serious person, and they are more likely to subscribe to your channel. And finally is monetization momentum. Actually, so the more I keep posting more videos, it will now give me more watch hours and more chances of hitting my 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so if that is what you want, if you want to start generating content, or you want to give a try to this 30 days challenge, then I really want all of us to jump into it. Okay, so this is not going to be easy. Honestly, it's not really going to be easy. But if you know you're struggling to grow from scratch, especially if you're starting from scratch, I have to stress that, then this could spark that chances of you getting to your desired results on YouTube. So I'm doing this to prove that to myself that I can show up every day, to give the algorithm more chances to notice me, to grow faster by doing the work, not waiting for luck. So if you've been thinking about starting or restarting your channel, maybe you try it with me. 30 days challenge, one video a day, and let's see what will happen together. Okay, so as a new channel, I'm not getting the views, I'm not getting everything now, but I hope at the end of this 30 days challenge, I will start seeing positive changes. I will start seeing good results, because I've done so many researches about people that have embarked on 30 days challenge. If you have not done yours, then you can also go and do more research, do more findings, to see how people, after trying 30 days challenge, some people went as far as trying 90 days challenge, and they are coming back to talk like it changed their channels for good. So I will be taking you along with me. We're posting every day, and at the end of every week, the video I drop at the end of every week, like every Saturdays, will be an overview of how my video did well, what happened, what changed. At the end of every week, I will be dropping that on Saturdays. Yes, to tell you if I gain more views, if my watch hour increased, any changes at all. Okay, so that this will actually motivate you to start planning for the challenge. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video till the end.